Good day, everyone. I'd like to greet Merry Christmas. And I dressed up. But I'm still in mourning due to the demise of my husband, Pablo Macalinaw Soledad. So I'm wearing this black and white top with a touch of red. Shout out to Angel Sarapio in Iloilo City. And I'm wearing pearls. Thank you to Laura McCaver for this beautiful pearl necklace and black and white bracelet from my good friend Emily Nunez in the Philippines. Mega loves out, shout out to you and your son Michael and family. I've got also this sculptured pearl. This came from my daughter-in-law, Ida. And I've got also this ladies wristwatch with studded with stones. They're not real diamonds though. This is one of the items I won during the major raffle at the club last 7th of December 2025. And I also got some pearl earrings and pearl ring. And I'd like to thank all my viewers, supporters, subscribers, silent viewers, my co-host, Miss Ginalina Patton, a daughter in Iloilo City, and her family circle, Miss Erminia Garbosa, and all my subscribers in Veterans Village, Iloilo City. And I thank YouTube for giving me the chance to be a blogger. And although I'm not a high-ranking or high-earning blogger, to be a monetized blogger is a great honor. So I thank YouTube very much. I really appreciate that I was approved as a monetized blogger. And I look forward and I'd like to, I'm hopeful that I'll be able to entertain my viewers with more interesting videos, shorts, live, long videos, and hope there'll still be always be there to continue to support me. And I'd like also to shout out those who sent their condolences and sympathies during my difficult times, and for the assistance of my stepson Adrian Soledad, Herminia, and their family circles, the Soledad clan, expressed their condolences and comforts through social media, phone calls, and personal encounters. Thank you so much for the attendance, and apologies those who could not make it to the viewing and cremation rites. Thank you for the tokens, for donations, especially prayers. I just want to look nice today because it's Lord Jesus' birthday. It's a very special day for me since I was a child. I always look forward to Christmas. So I just want to look very nice today for the Lord Jesus. And I pray that will have more Christmas to celebrate with my loved ones. So before I become emotional, I'd like to remind everyone to stay safe, stay healthy, and have reconciliations as well. And let us look forward and let us all pray that 2026 will be a bountiful, productive, and meaningful year. Because 2025 was really a very challenging year. So let us join in prayers that will face 2026 with more conviction, more strength, and let us all be more spiritual to combat all the challenges that may come our way. And thank you so much for watching this video greetings and message. Thank you so much. Before I close, I just stayed at home last night. I just want to stay alone. And I prayed the Holy Rosary this morning, attended the Holy Mass online, had a bath to refresh myself. I didn't cook. I may cook the marinated chicken. I may fry it on just cook paksiw, salmon belly paksiw. But I've got so many desserts and snacks. Cookies, sponge cake, sorts of bread. I've got chocolates. I've got Coke Zero. I'm sure I'll not be hungry. So, enjoy life. But always have be alert. Always be alert. Take care of yourselves. Choose the right kind of food. Don't abuse yourselves. Have good sleeping habits as well. So, and let us all pray that all our plans will be realized if it's God's will. So, thank you very much for watching this video. I wish everyone all the best. God bless. God bless. Love you, love you. Bye.